Hi guys, welcome to Teezco Contracting. Here we talk about construction tips, cost guide and site facts. The number one mistake that people overspend when building. Many people overspend millions when building a house, not because of inflation, but because of this one mistake. The biggest mistake people make when building is starting construction without a clear plan budget. Most people rush to buy blocks and start foundation because they are excited, but they don't sit down to calculate the full cost, which is bad. When there is no proper plan, money finishes halfway, work stops, and cost increases. Another problem is changing decision on site, changing design, adding rooms, or changing materials. Every change means extra money. This is why many buildings take years to complete, even when the owner had enough money at the beginning. So, my practical advice, which is very vital part, before you build, you should know three things clearly: the type of building you want, your total budget, the stages of construction and their costs. It is very important to know these three things. If you plan properly, you reduce waste, avoid stress, and save money. If you want to avoid mistakes when building, so you can build smart and build strong. Follow this channel for more construction tips, cost guide, and site facts. For the best guidance with no mistake, follow Teezco on Instagram or direct message on WhatsApp 09038947620 or direct email at teezcocon@gmail.com. For your architectural designs, building construction, and supervision. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share for more. Bye.